Hello everyone, this is Neha Shinde and today we are going to have session on one of the amazing thing. We are going to have it about focus. And I know many people in today's era are suffering with this problem. In spite of having so many capacities, living the life below average than what they actually deserve. And it is all because of the focus. Our focus is on wrong thing at a right time. We are not focusing on the things that actually matters. And knowingly, we are literally making our things slow for us, making the goal delayed for our own self. So today let's understand what the top three things or the basic three things you can do for yourself on a daily routine, and that thing can help you to maximize your focus. Let's do this. Let me just share my screen. Meanwhile, you can sit with pen and paper. Here we go. Give me a moment. I'll share it again with another. Perfect. Lovely. Yeah. So here are the top three powerful yet basic daily habits to stay focused consistently. Take your book, pen and paper. I hope you're ready with it. And we are starting with the first one. So the here first one is daily time blocking. This is most amazing. So here what we are going to do, we are going to plan our day in advance. So what we are going to do? First, in the morning, spend 5 to 10 minutes each morning to plan your day with specific time blocks for key tasks. So before setting the time blocks for it, we should know the task in advance and what exactly task we are going to focus for today. The best thing, the best strategy for this task is you should know this thing one day advance. Like if you can do it like today, if you can write the task for tomorrow, a night before, if you're doing it, that will be better for your clear understanding for your brain. But at least, bare minimum, you can do it that at least do it in the morning to get the clarity for your entire day. So that you are going to do. Very first thing you are going to write all the tasks that you are going to perform, the top task that you are going to perform, and after that, you are strategically setting it a time in front of that. Task can be anything. It can be about your business task. It can be about your health task. It can be about your personal task, family task, anything. You have a clarity call with your client, or you have to go to the yoga class, or you have to have a family time after 7 p.m. A movie, or it can be related to anything. Important. All the areas are important, so all the tasks are important. It depends on what is the current goal you're having, on which thing you are working currently. So your tasks are going to be depend on that. So once you are ready with your task, we are going to set a timer for it. If you are working on business strategy currently. So today from 10 a.m. I'm going to do the business strategy. Set a block, set a time for it. Then you have a yoga class. 5 p.m. I have a yoga class. Family time, 7 to 8, 7 to 9, I have a family time. Whatever you task have currently, a client work, a business strategy, anything, anything, whatever task you have, important task, give a timer, set a time block in front of that. Now, when we are doing it, we are literally giving our brain a clear cut action. And once this amazing thing have clear cut action, it performs crazily. You won't believe this is the most amazing thing we all have, right? We all have brain and we are not even using it. It doesn't perform its max capacity unless and until he have the clarity. If it doesn't have the clarity, sit, he relax, he just chill and wait for the clear instructions. Because a lot of things are here and we are not putting those things in front of us. I'm going to talk about that later as well. But our brain perform amazing when we have the clear cut action plan. So when all things are ready, he is ready to rock. He is ready to shine for that day. And Bonus tip is always write your top three priorities to focus. So we are going to focus on main three tasks for the day. It's not like random 10, 15 tasks we are writing and then we are like, my God, I have so much to do. We are not going in that top three priority. Write that. After this, the second task is going to be distraction free work sprint. This is another amazing thing and you will love it. You must have heard about Pomodoro technique. If you haven't, I'm going to tell it now. So, this Pomodoro technique is very, very simple. On a first 25 minutes, you are going to work with full focus. And after that, you are going to have a 5-minute break. Simple, right? We have one condition. We are going to do a focused work that 25 minutes. It's not like distraction full work. Key while working, you're checking your phone. While working, you're having some snacks. While working, somebody's coming, having another conversation. No, a big no for this. We are not doing like this at all. So while working, we are going to sit in a focused zone. We are going to have our focused area. So when you are sitting for a work, tell people do not disturb, keep your phone aside, and sit for a work. Complete the task, set a timer, and enjoy your break. And when we are doing this, why does it work? Because our mind is very fresh and he's focused. And he doesn't burn out because he have a clear-cut action plan what exactly to do. And random things doesn't pop up while doing that, and it doesn't slow down us. So that's why we don't even burn out while doing this. And the bonus tip is put your phone on airplane mode, or the best thing is keep it in another room during the sprints. You can have 2 sprints minimum in a day. Focus zone. Now the third thing is daily mind dump or journaling. Now this is very, very much important because as I said, this is the most amazing thing we have. And we don't even use it to the max capacity. And why it doesn't perform? Because all the mess, all the smaller big tasks, smaller big things, everything is there, is stored here. It doesn't have a place to take new things, to digest new things. So, we are going to perform a task. After completing the session, you are going to sit, you are already with your pen and paper. You are going to write all the thoughts that are popping up in your head, all the worries, all the pains that you are having, put it here on the paper. When all the things are here, you're not able to see it. Write it on the paper and see it like this so that you will able to understand what is the actual problem and how to resolve it. See your problem by yourself. Write it down. Also, write all the to-do list that is popping in your head. It's like somebody's birthday is coming. I need to bring a cake. I need to bring a gift. So I need to go for that vacation, which is 6 months later. Or what is my 5 years goal? I need to do so many things, but I'm not able to plan it. I'm not able to take the action. All the things that are there in your brain. Tomorrow, what I can wear for my office. Tomorrow, what I will talk on a call with my clients, all the things. Write those down so that half of your brain or more than half of your brain will feel relaxed after this activity. And he will literally get a place to breathe. All the mental clutter will go up. Whenever you sit for a work, whenever there is a lot of mess around you, how you will feel at that time? You don't feel like working, right? So, like that, your brain also needs a good space, a clear space, think, to plan, take action. He needs that, and we are not giving it. But for now, you have learned it and you are going to do it. So, make it faster. This is very slow currently. We are going to make it faster with this very important activity. So, write it down. If you can do it every day, that will be great, but at least do it now. And what you are going to do, you are going to end with writing one clear intention for the day. Now you are going to write one clear intention for tomorrow. It can be anything. It can be about your business. It can be about your health. It can be about your personal life. It can be about your family. Anything. It will be depend on your current goal that you're having. on the things that you're working currently. Totally, it will be different for every person. But have that clear intention for tomorrow. So when we will have that clear intention, tomorrow you will work on that because your mind know what exactly to do, what exactly to do, and he will take the action. He will complete it. So at the end, he will feel satisfied. I have accomplished. I have reached somewhere. I have completed the task. And then again, tomorrow set intention for day after tomorrow. And with this, slowly, you will improve and you will able to improve your focus. Let me stop the screen. Yes. So these are the three things that you can do for yourself to increase your focus and improve as a person as well. So everyone do this, and even if you want to learn these things in detail, I have recently come up with the my course that is gym mind gym, how to learn focus in only 7 days and do more things in less time. So if you want to know about that, definitely you can check out my app, Be Matters. I have posted my course there. And if you need any help, do DM me for more details how to join there. And soon I will come up with another training. Till then, stay connected.